In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make to-do list in Notion, whether you're organizing your day or tracking projects. A simple checklist is one of the quickest ways to capture work and keep momentum. First, open any page in Notion and click into an empty line where you want the list to live. Type /. Notion uses the slash command to quickly insert blocks, and as soon as you type it, a menu appears with options. This is the fastest way to add structured content without breaking your flow. If the menu feels crowded, keep typing after the slash. Write to do, and Notion will filter the options for you automatically so the to-do list block is easy to spot. Next, select to-do list from that menu. One click creates a checkbox item on your page. You'll see a small square to the left of your cursor. That means you're in a dedicated to-do block. Every line you add here becomes its own task with a checkbox. Press enter to create the next checkbox and keep listing items in a smooth rhythm. This block is designed for quick capture, so you can stay on the keyboard and get all your tasks down fast. Now, enter your text. Type the first task exactly as you want to see it. Aim for clear, actionable phrasing. Start with a verb. Keep it concise and include any key detail you need to remember. As you press enter, add the next task and continue until you've captured everything on your mind. If a task has multiple parts, break it into separate lines so you can check things off as you go and see steady progress. You can also organize related work by indenting an item with tab to make a subtask and use Shift+Tab to bring it back out. To prioritize, drag tasks up or down using the handle that appears when you hover on the left, keeping the most important items near the top. When something's done, simply click the checkbox. Notion will strike through the text while completed work is clearly marked while still staying on the page for reference. That's all you need. Type / to open the command menu, click to-do list and enter your text. In seconds, you've built a flexible checklist you can expand, reorder, and complete throughout the day. If you want, pause now to set up your first list, and when you're ready, continue adding tasks the same way. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying organized with your new Notion to-do list.